The Winter Park Scenic Boat Tours were established in 1938. Originally called the Venice of America, it made its maiden voyage on January 1, 1938. The Scenic Boat Tour is in its 86th year of operation and is now owned by Ron Hightower and was previously assisted by his grandfather, Sanford Smith, who worked there until he was almost 100 years old. Now, Hightower is in his 29th year of running the Scenic Boat Tour. The Scenic Boat Tour was originally established by the Millian family, who owned it from 1938 to 1981. Until 1981, it was a family business run by generations in the Millian family. The Scenic Boat Tour is a fun and interesting way to see historic sites around Winter Park while the guides give historical facts. While on the tour, you can see places such as Kraft Azalea Gardens, Rollins College, and the Isle of Sicily. The Scenic Boat Tour is now the longest running attraction in Winter Park and is a hidden jewel for tourists and locals.